Hey everyone, and welcome back to Poppy Seed Mini. Today, we're going to take a look at the Miniverse Make It Mini Food Cafe Series 2. And we're going to see if we can find some sweet treats for Poppy's Cafe. Oh, what was that? All right, we have this little mat thing. Okay, what is this? It's like poking out of the bag. Oh, I know which one this is. Look at this. It's a little tear. Oh. And there is a specific way to put it together. You can just stick it in there. There we go. Okay. Oh, this is gonna be cute. I'm excited. This is perfect for the cafe. All right. In our Keep Cool bag, we have glaze and the little topper. In our utensil bag, we have just the tweezers and the top for the ball. In this bag, we have okay, let's look at these. Sun-baked sweets, icing flowers. Oh, they're so cute. All right, let's see if I can open these up. Okay, so we got 3 different types. There's like 2 flowers, and the cute little roses, and then the little like daisy, not daisy, but white and yellow flowers. Cute, 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 cute. All right, last bag here. Oh, look at these. They're so cute. All right, we got a little box here. Oh, and we actually have some tape. Let's see if I can get that off here. Nope, I gotta cut it. Oh, and I have a really dull blade there. Okay, but we got it. Oh, all right, let's check these out. So we've got a little, oh, it's like a baking pan. Look at that. You could use this like as an oven dish. And then each little piece of cake has the pink frosting and the little vanilla cake. So these are meant to be petit fours or petite fours. Let's pull these out and stick on some of these fun little designs. Now, I'm just gonna use a dab of glue. I'm not gonna do anything permanent because I just love customizing things. So I might change my mind and want to do something different next week. You never know. Add some fruit, make my own flowers. I don't know. You never know. Oh my gosh. How cute are these? Oh, focus, focus. All right. Now we need our little stand, and we can decorate the stand. Oh my gosh. I'm ready for a tea party. Who likes tea parties? We used to have tea parties all the time when I was a kid. Oops. And there we go. All right, let's check out another one. What will this next doll have for us? Okay, well, I always kind of check to see if they have any of those paper things that kind of give you a hint. Not seeing any in this ball. All right, the first bag is blue sprinkles. Ooh, those are cute. Okay, which thing has blue sprinkles in it? Oh, oh, it's the little popcorn. Oh my gosh, look at the little kernels. They are so cute, snacky snacks. I like that. That's cute. All right. What else do we get? We got, oop, just the tongs here. Oh, no, I take that back. It fell on the floor. There's a little spoon. How cute is that? Is that like our mixing spoon for our popcorn? All right. We got our glaze. And that has the little spout again. And last we have, oh, this one's already a little open. Oh, how cute is that little popcorn bowl? Oh my gosh. All right, so let's open up this popcorn. We've got this cute little tabby guy thing. And, oh, it is not open at the top. So we'll put that open. But we still get to keep our cute little bag. All right. We're gonna put our popcorn in the bowl. And mix it around so that we have the pink and the white all mixed up. There we go. Oh, so cute. All right, then we'll take our sprinkles and sprinkle our blue sprinkles on top. Oh, how cute is that? Now, you know me, I'm not going to use the resin yet because I'm not ready to commit. I like it when I can move it around and use it as a prop. Who's in for one more ball? We'll see what's in this one. All right. We've got, oh, these are the macaroon box ones. Oh, look at how cute that is. It's even got like the little tissue paper in there. How fun is that? Okay, in our cool bag, we have the vanilla frosting or vanilla filling. What? It's kind of a filling over a frosting, right? All right, we have the tongs and ooh, the little frosting spreader. That's cute. Okay, cake decorating video coming your way. No. All right. And then we have the little macaroons. Oh, you guys, they're on a baking dish, kind of like the pedophores. There we go. All right. Oh, Oh, there go the cookies. But here is a nice little baking tray for the dollhouse. And then we've got yellow, orange, and pink macaroons. Oh, and they definitely turned out right. I heard it's an art to make these type of cookies. All right, I am going to give it a go with frosting these babies up. And I took a look inside, and this resin is rather thick. Like it's not going to pour out or anything. So let's take a little bit and put it on our cookie. Ew, how am I going to do this without getting on my hands? If you do get it on your hands, make sure you wash them right away. Okay. And then put the top on. Eee. I don't know how good I am at filling these things. Also, I recommend wearing gloves because I think I've got it on my hands now. It's better just to use a very tiny bit. Don't use too much resin. And then we're going to set it with our UV light, which I probably shouldn't be doing on my hand. All right. Feels stuck together. We've made one. Yes. All right, once all our macaroons are set and dried, you can put them in the box. And there we go. Thank you for joining me for another episode of Poppy Seed Mini. I hope you enjoyed opening up these surprise balls and checking out these sweet treats. If you'd like to see our video on how to make the cafe or to make these do-it-yourself desserts, check out the links in the description box below. I hope you'll like, comment, share, and subscribe, and have fun crafting.